Have you ever wanted to build your own app but didn't know where to start? Today, I'll walk you through the complete app development roadmap so you can go from zero to hero in creating apps for any platform. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the basics. Before diving into coding, you need to know what makes up an app. An app typically has a front end, what the user interacts with, a back end, the logic and data handling, and sometimes an API that connects the two. Get familiar with these concepts to have a solid foundation. Next, choose your platform. Are you building for iOS, Android, or the web? Each platform has its own tools and languages. For iOS, you'll use Swift or Objective-C with Xcode. For Android, it's Kotlin or Java with Android Studio. And for web apps, think HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can also use cross-platform tools like Flutter or React Native to cover multiple platforms at once. Step 3. Learn the programming languages. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick the language that matches your platform and start with the basics. Focus on concepts like variables, loops, functions, and classes. Platforms like Codecademy or FreeCodeCamp are great for beginners. Step 4. Build your first app. Start small. For example, create a to-do list app, a weather app, or a calculator. These projects will teach you how to structure your app, connect the front end with the back end, and debug your code. Don't worry about perfection. This is all about learning by doing. Next, learn how to deploy your app. For mobile apps, this means publishing it to the App Store or Google Play. For web apps, you'll host it on platforms like GitHub Pages, Netlify, or AWS. Deployment might seem intimidating at first, but it's an essential skill to make your app accessible to users. Finally, iterate and improve. Once your app is live, collect feedback from users. Use that feedback to fix bugs, add features, and optimize performance. App development is an ongoing process, and continuous improvement is what sets successful apps apart. And there you have it, the complete app development roadmap. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building amazing apps. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments. What kind of app are you planning to build? Until next time, happy coding!